Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your card transactions using Credit Karma Reports easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Reports tab in the menu and click on it. Select Credit Reports from the drop-down options. Locate the section that provides your credit card transaction history. Click on the option to view detailed transactions. You may need to select a specific account if you have multiple cards. Scroll through your transaction list to find the entries you want to back up. Use the filter options to narrow down the transactions by date or amount. Once you've identified the transactions, look for the Download button. Choose the preferred format for your report, such as CSV or PDF. Click on the Download button to save the report to your device. Open the downloaded file to review your card transactions. Verify that all necessary information is included for your records. Store the backup in a safe and secure location, such as a folder for financial documents. Consider creating duplicates on a cloud storage service for added security. Regularly repeat this process to keep your card transactions backed up over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.